All right, 6:42 after we get, yeah, exactly. After we get past this rain today, the rest of the week looking not bad.
We have some really nice days on the way. Later this week, it's going to warm up. We'll have a nice combination with some sunshine. It's going to be beautiful. Today is not. We've got a lot of rain out there, and the concern here is for your morning commute because it's moderate to heavy rain. The core of it is now shifted into eastern counties. I just tweeted about this. As you get down around Stanton, Slade, as you get down towards the Red River Gorge, this makes for a nasty commute, but this is beneficial. This is what they need to help tamp down that ongoing wildfire that you heard Chris talking about out towards the Clifty Wilderness. So hopefully this will help out. We're in that time of the year before everything greens up. You've got a lot of leftover dead debris, dead wood, and vegetation on the ground from over the winter, and those wildfires can happen. So fingers crossed this helps tamp it down a little bit because it is coming down hard and heavy. Rainfall rates have been a ½ inch to over 1 inch an hour. It's becoming more broken up into western counties, and again, the main round pushing into eastern counties. And you've got more rain northeast. You've got showers and thunder showers southwest. This is where we'll see a severe storm threat later on today. But low pressure is driving us. As this low tracks east, we'll see continued showers wrapping around and then gradually diminishing overnight. Severe threat, Atlanta, down through parts of Alabama. Not a concern for us. In rainfall amounts, we've had 1/4 of an inch to over 3/10, almost 4/10 of an inch into northern Kentucky. The rain still just getting into eastern counties this morning. And the future track shows it will continue, and then we'll see more scattered showers as opposed to the widespread heavier rain this morning into the afternoon. And then everything just clears out overnight, and then high pressure builds in. That's where we get to the good stuff. You'll see that in your 8-day. Low 50s, wet out there this morning. Winds out of the southeast at 7 miles per hour. We've got 40s and 50s, so it's cold rain. And our highs gradually respond to the high that's building in. So we bottom out in the low 50s tomorrow, 60 Wednesday, upper 60s, maybe some low 70s later this week. The problem is since we have high pressure building in, following it up, a lot more active weather. So just as we see that warmth spiking, we'll also start to see a spike in shower and storm chances. That's why we've got that temperature drop over the weekend, active weather heading our way. If you're an allergy sufferer, I am. This is the worst time of the year. Family allergy and asthma pollen update. This is going to become a daily thing now that we're into the season. We're at medium levels. Still tree pollen for the main offenders, and it's still juniper, elm, and maple. Morning rain, stray showers and thunder showers this morning, and then scattered afternoon showers, mainly showers with highs in the 50s. Could see some low 60s south. Mid-20s overnight. It clears out. It dries out, but it gets cold, and we're going to have a nice warming trend with below average highs in the 50s, but some sunshine tomorrow, and then temperatures gradually rising. Slowly at first, from low 50s to around 60, and then boom, we're in the upper 60s, maybe even hitting low 70s Thursday and a Friday. So by the end of the week, we're warming up nicely. Unfortunately, we will have a round of active weather, more showers and storms starting just, Chris, as we get into the weekend.
Thank you.